Your engine speaks before it brakes. The problem is that most drivers aren't listening. A strange sound starts, it fades, and they brush it off. Then one day the car refuses to start, the repair bill shows up like a punch, and they think it came out of nowhere. It didn't. The engine warned you. Today we're going through 7 engine sounds you must never ignore, what each one really means, and how catching them early can save your wallet. And the first sound is something small people hear every day, but don't understand. Number 1, a sharp ticking noise. A fast, rhythmic tick coming from the top of your engine usually points to low oil, worn lifters, or weak lubrication. When engine parts don't get enough oil, they start tapping against each other like metal knocking on metal. Ignore this long enough and those small taps become full-on grinding. Top up the oil, check for leaks, and replace it before the recommended interval if needed. Because this ticking sound tends to evolve into something far worse that we'll get to later. Number 2, a deep knocking sound under load. This isn't soft ticking. This is a heavy knock, almost like someone's hitting the engine block with a hammer. That usually means detonation or worn engine bearings. When combustion happens too early or too violently, the piston slams into pressure waves that shouldn't exist. That shock destroys engine internals faster than anything else on this list. A failing bearing can even seize your engine while driving. Use better fuel, avoid lugging your engine at very low RPM, and get it checked immediately. Because when a knock gets worse, you may hear a sound that means the engine is seconds away from total failure. Number 3, a screeching or high-pitched squeal. If you hear a loud squeal when starting the car or turning the wheel, that's almost always a belt issue. The serpentine belt may be loose, glazed, or worn out. Since one belt runs many critical systems, alternator, power steering pump, AC compressor, a failed belt can leave you stranded instantly. Replacing it is cheap, ignoring it is. And while belts make sharp squeals, the next sound is quieter but far more dangerous. Number 4, a whining noise that increases with speed. A rising, turbine-like whine can mean 2 things: a failing water pump or a transmission problem. Both are serious. A worn pump can overheat your engine in minutes. A failing transmission bearing can turn into a 4-digit repair bill before you even understand what's happening. If the whine changes when you shift gears, it's transmission-related. If it stays the same and the temperature rises, it's your pump. But as worrying as this whine is, there's another sound that almost always signals a major leak forming. Number 5, a hissing or air leak sound. A constant hiss under the hood usually means a vacuum leak, a loose hose, or coolant escaping under pressure. A vacuum leak confuses your engine sensors, causing rough idle, weak power, and poor fuel economy. Coolant leaks lead to overheating, and overheating leads to engine damage faster than almost anything else. If you hear a hiss, do not assume it's just air. Engines don't leak air unless something is wrong. And a small hiss often turns into the next sound, which drivers hear right before breakdowns. Number 6, a grinding noise from the front of the engine. Grinding is never normal. This usually means a failing bearing inside your alternator, water pump, or idler pulley. Once that bearing goes dry, it creates friction that eats itself alive. If the alternator seizes, you lose electrical power. If the water pump seizes, your engine overheats. If a pulley breaks, your serpentine belt can shred instantly. Grinding is your early warning siren. But the final sound on this list is the one that drivers ignore the most, even though it reveals the truth about your car's health. Number 7, a loud exhaust rattle or metallic buzz. If your exhaust suddenly sounds like it's buzzing, rattling, or vibrating, your heat shield may be loose or your catalytic converter may be failing. A failing converter can clog the exhaust, choke the engine, and cause huge power loss. Some drivers think their car is just getting old, but what's really happening is the exhaust system can't flow properly anymore. Fixing a loose shield is cheap. Ignoring a failing converter is. It can damage sensors, cause overheating, and even break internal components. Your engine never fails silently. It talks, it taps, it ticks, it buzzes, it squeals. Every sound is a message, and every message points to something you can fix long before it becomes serious. When you know what these sounds mean, you're not just maintaining a car. You're preventing breakdowns, avoiding huge repair bills, and keeping your engine alive for years longer than most people ever manage. Listen early, act early, and your engine will reward you with the quiet sound every driver loves: smooth, healthy running.